Hello, my name's Daniel here at Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Range Rover Velar D200 Dynamic HSE, finished in Hakuba Silver. It features the 2-litre mild hybrid diesel engine paired with the automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive, delivering an impressive driving experience. It does sit very nicely on 21-inch alloy wheels, and it features pixel LED headlights which light up the road nicely. In the boot you'll find 552 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,358 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have the beautiful ebony leather interior, featuring ISOFIX points on the outer seats, allowing you to easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you have your leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around and up top, this Velar features a panoramic sunroof, allowing sunlight to flood the interior. With your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position. On the multifunction steering wheel to the left, you have your controls for the infotainment system and display in the instrument cluster, and to the right you have your adaptive cruise control. On the display here in the instrument cluster, you can access different information and vehicle settings. You can customize the information shown on the display as well. Centered here in the dashboard, you have the Pivi Pro touchscreen, providing you with access to features like DAB, FM and AM radio, or alternatively, you can play your own music with USB and Bluetooth connectivity. You have your phone menu where you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth, and the system's also compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to keep well connected with your phone. There's built-in navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. Also on the display you'll find your dual zone automatic climate control, and there are also heated front seats to keep you nice and warm on those colder days. This Velar features parking sensors and a reverse camera, making parking super easy. Here in the centre console you have your automatic gear selector along with 2 cup holders. Thanks for watching this walk around video of this approved used Range Rover Velar Dynamic HSE. For more information, please get in contact with a member of our sales team who'd be more than happy to help with your inquiry.